Hello wonderful family, you're welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on this channel, I would like that you will hit the subscribe button, click on all so that you won't be left out anytime I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process on how to get your sachet water approved by certain agencies. Here in the case of Ghana, I know it might be a little different or maybe quite similar in your location, but this video is going to help you. Stay till the end of this video. After your factory is ready, you don't have to get your water approved by the agencies I'm about to walk you through their process. The first thing you're going to have to do is to send a sample of your water to Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. The agency will then run a test on your sample to see if it has met certain mineral criteria. They will also check the pH level of your water. That is, if your water sample contains any acidic content, and they will ask you to wait for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, if you have a positive result, that is when you have met the requirement of the pH level, which is supposed to be 7. Okay, if you have met the requirement, then you are good to go. If you haven't, then you will be asked to bring the pH level to 7. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to bring the pH level to 7 if you have like 6.5 or maybe 6.7 or below 7. Now the process in bringing the pH level to 7, the first thing you will need is a soda ash light. This is a picture of it. Is a white powder. If you need one, contact me and I'll get you one. Another thing you will need is this yellow tank connected to your pure water treatment. What do I mean by pure water treatment? You have your raw water, you have your pure water. So if you're treating pure water, it goes to the pure water tank. So you connect the yellow tank to that channel. So when you're treating water, then you direct an amount of pure water into the yellow tank. That is what you're going to use to test your pH level. Okay, so now anytime you want to check for the pH level, you need to fetch 1 cup of the soda ash light or 2 cups of the soda ash light, depending on the pH level you have. Okay, you pour that amount into the yellow tank and then dip a pH meter. You will also need a pH meter and a TDS meter. You can get these 2 meters from the Ghana Statistical Service. Okay, all right, so this is a picture of the pH meter and the TDS meter. Okay, so anytime you fetch anytime you pour the soda ash light into the yellow tank, then you dip the pH meter into it. Okay, it will tell you if you are reaching the pH level of 7, if you are reaching the requirement, or you need to do more. If you need to do more, it will also, the meter will show you. All right, so the TDS meter is also for testing the taste of the water. It is normally between 9 to 31. So if you have any number within this range, then it means you have a normal taste, which is good for drinking. And the soda ash light is not harmful at all. It's not harmful. Yeah. Okay, so after you have reached the requirement, which is the pH level 7, then you have to send another sample of your sachet water straight to the FDA. Now the FDA is the whole process all together. So guys, watch out for my next video. Okay, so if this video has been helpful to you, give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so. Share so that others can also benefit from it.